So whenever you join my Facebook group, The Design Brief, I have a few questions I ask you. And one of those is, what are your goals? What are you looking to accomplish by coming into this group? And without a doubt, I'd say 60 to 75% of people say, Ben, I want to start freelancing. You know, I've been working in this agency job, or I've been going to school, or I've had a few clients, and I really want to make this my full-time gig. I asked them a series of questions after that. Okay, do you have a niche? Do you have a focus on what your design is going to be focused on? Do you have a product or service that you really want to offer people? Do you have a specialty? The next question I ask is, do you have a solid and organized business structure? And now I don't mean, an LLC or a sole proprietor or, some great tax structure. I just mean the bones of your business. So that would be having a good project management system. That would be knowing how to make contracts and agreements. That would be having a nice automated email system. That way you don't have to get bogged down with hours of email communication and making sure you track down your clients on Facebook Messenger or Instagram DM or email or Herring Pigeon, whatever it might be that you're using. Do you have a system for that? And a lot of times people will say no. And it was interesting to me because that's something that I'd been working on for probably the past 5+ years is, okay, client communication is always getting messed up. I think that's one of the biggest complaints you'll hear in graphic design is my client just doesn't communicate well with me. It's a terrible relationship between me and client. They want this and then they want that and then they want this change. And I feel like there's no structure in how I actually operate revisions, changes, brainstorms, drafts, whatever it might be. I feel like I'm always at the whim of my client rather than me being in control of the process. And it's not about being a control freak. And it makes me think of, I'm reading a book currently on the life of George Lucas, and he did an incredible job creating Star Wars, the first original Star Wars. But it says he had so much control over everything, he became sick and hospitalized for a matter of days during the filming of Star Wars. And I don't want you to end up there. I'm not saying you need to be hyper involved person, but what you need to create is a structure so that way your client knows how to interact with you, knows how to participate in being one of your clients. So all that to say, I've created the Design Business Kit, and that's something I've been working on really since design school. I've been learning how to find my design niche. I've been learning how to market to clients. I've been learning how to structure my design business. And that's what I want to share with you. I want to save you those thousands of hours, those tears, and just give you the moments of victory rather than having to scrub through all the different platforms and processes and ways of doing things. The Design Business Kit is really my contribution to graphic designers wanting to get started as either freelancers or agency owners. I would encourage you to go and click the link below. You can either download the Design Business Checklist to check if your business is really getting set up and structured the right way, or you can head on over immediately and check out the Design Business Kit. Right now, we're fresh off the release. I'm so excited. I've been working on this thing for about 4 to 6 months now, and I'm really excited to put it into your hands. I appreciate you watching this video. If you found this to be helpful in getting your gears turning about starting your freelance business, I'd say go for it. I mean, it's never gonna hurt to take your passion and turn it into something that will earn you an income. I'm Benji Kaiser of benjikaiser.com, and I will see you here on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, smile, do all that fun social stuff. See you later.